Valencia for their lovely ensembles, and of course the undeniably sleek and fashionable Mario Debarro shoes. So this activity today was in celebration of the vivacity of life. Life, no matter how we go through the ups and downs, we can still add color to it by adding color to fashion. And fashion, ladies and gentlemen, is our way of expressing ourselves. Not all of us can write articles, not all of us can rally in the streets, but we can express our personality, our character through the things that we wear. And that exactly is the essence of the colors of fashion. Okay, so without further ado, I know why everybody looks very anticipating, no? Nandako kay mga smile, mga ate and kuya. And we also, dapat smile. So just before we head there, I would just like to say something brief. To make a mark in showbiz, you need that perfect mix of charm, talent, and that undeniable X factor. And it is my greatest honor to introduce to you the Philippines' fastest rising star, one of the Philippines' fastest rising stars, and a pride of Cebu, garbo sa ato mga Cebuano. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the gorgeous and talented Mateo Guidicelli.
Oh my, hello! Hi everybody! Hi. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta na mo? Ha? Sino tanaw ako, Benita? Yeah, tira. Diba mo, taga Cebu ba ako? Hi. Nag-shopping mo? Ha? Palit mong sapatos? Hi! Hello! Guwapa kayo mga model Cebu, no? Mga babae, guwapa kayo. Hi! Tango mo kung ako, Benita? Kisa inyong paborito, ako, Benita? Agua! Agua? Si Paco o si Ronnie? Si Ronnie! Yun ba? Bakit? Bakit? Guapo! Nako'y song para sa inyong tanan. Dedicated ni sa inyong lahat. So, yan doon. Play mo ang song doon. Ito para sa kamang tanan. Yan. Volume pa konti, please. Sige ba, volume pa. Kabaw ka kanya? Ganito. kayo. Mag-hi sa ko din sa sumo, hindi mo abot ang microphone.